What's cooking, guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to this short video about how to hard-boiled eggs on a la carte with Alex, where we are constantly showing you how to create simple, easy, and delicious food at home, one plate at a time. So we're going to piggyback off of our deviled egg video. Go ahead and click the link here if you want to see the full video on how we made it. And we're just going to take some of that footage that we used there and we're going to basically just show you how easy it is to make hard-boiled eggs. They're soft-boiled, hard-boiled, medium boil, just whatever type of egg you're looking for. So let's get rolling. Let's get cooking. What kind of show is this? What show are we on? Let's get cooking. So we're gonna take our electric kettle and we're gonna take our eggs and we're gonna gently put them in the bottom so they don't crack. If they crack or split, you're gonna get egg all over your electric kettle. And don't worry if you add too much water. You just don't wanna add too little water. Okay, so now comes the easy part of doing this. Let's let me get down here and come on, get down here and I'll show you guys. So now that you have your eggs inside your kettle, you go ahead and you just click this button right here. There you go. That one right there, click it, and you're good. Okay, so those of you that are watching our hard-boiled egg special, now that we've clicked our button for our electric kettle, we're gonna let that click off, and then we're gonna set our timer. Now, if you're wanting a soft-boiled egg, go about 10 minutes. If you want a little bit harder, go about 12 minutes, medium, 13, and if you want a fully hard-boiled egg, you're gonna go about 15 minutes. So the longer you let it sit in there, the drier that yolk is gonna get. The less amount of time, you're gonna get that softer, creamier yolk, depending on what you're using it for and how you prefer it. So we set our eggs in there, we set our timer. Once this clicks off, and I'll see you guys in about 15 minutes. Okay, so now that our eggs are all cooked up and ready, our timer has run out about 15 minutes since we want that hard boil to go. Now we're gonna evacuate and we're going to put them into an ice bath. So I like to have a couple of bowls set up with the ice bath. It's gonna help remove that shell, make it a lot easier to peel. It's gonna make it easier to peel. It's gonna make it easier to peel. So I don't know what that accent was, but what we're gonna do, you can either dump this out if you feel like you're careful enough. I know me, I'm a little clumsy, so we're gonna use some tongs. But go ahead, reach in, pull them out very carefully, and set them into that ice bath. Okay, so let those sit in there and cool down. That's gonna stop the cooking process on those. So if you're doing a soft or medium boil on your eggs, that's gonna stop it from continuing to cook inside their shells once they're done. Now, there's nothing left for our water in our instant kettle, so you go ahead and dump that out. I know it might smell like eggs, or you might be worried that the egg smell is gonna stay in there next time you don't. Rinse it out immediately, dump the water out, and you should be fine. If you want to wash it out, go for it. I haven't had a problem with it before. I usually just dump it, rinse it, make sure it's fully dry before I use it again. So go ahead and get that, dump that out. Okay, my hard-boiled egg fans, this is how you're going to be shelling these eggs. You're just going to come around here and you're just going to peel ever so gently off of this. And then once they're done, you're going to get a perfect edible egg here. You can either cut it, you can add salt to it and enjoy right away. Or you can use it for your salads. This is once you've mastered how to do the hard-boiled egg, it's a game changer when it comes to presentations, doing parties, breakfast, you know, just impressing your friends and family with your cooking ability. As strange as it is, eggs, they take a little bit of practice to them, but once you've mastered some of the basics with eggs, you can really impress people with eggs, and I think it's that technique. It's that technique that comes along with doing eggs that really impresses people, because eggs, they're so simple. There's really not a lot to them. Give it a little bat to make sure we get all the shards off of it, and continue. Now I know some people tell me like, Alex, like I hate hard-boiled eggs. I hate that smell that comes from hard-boiled eggs in my fridge. It gets in there and I can't get rid of it. I don't know what to do. It's the worst thing ever. And trust me, I empathize with you completely as far as that hard-boiled egg smell. It is not one of my favorite smells in the kitchen. But you know what I find helps with that is that when you're doing eggs, make sure you don't just leave them out open. Put them in a Tupperware or a container with a tight seal. Even like a plastic baggie works really well with that. And what that does is it'll keep that smell in, and you'll only smell it once you open it up. It's kind of the problem with having eggs, but at the same time, like when you're cooking them up and you're doing something really good with them, they don't really last too long in the fridge anyway. And your big thing is don't let these sit in your fridge for over a week. You know, once you cook them, eat them. These are great little meal preps actually for just breakfast on the go. If you want just a quick bit of protein in the morning, just grab one of these eggs, a little salt, pepper, grab it on your way out. You can eat it one-handed. It's delicious, it's nutritious, and it's quick. Especially if you just hard boil 5 of these in the morning, you have 5 days of eggs. Now, if you have a couple people in the house, just multiply that by the number of people in your house, and you have quick breakfast for just running out. You know, not a lot of fat, just a little bit of the cholesterol. You get the egg whites. You can even just have the egg whites. You can dump the yolk if you're looking to be a little bit healthier. But that's it. You have yummy peeled eggs, hard-boiled, ready for our deviled eggs, ready for eating, ready for your adventures. So we'll go ahead and we'll dump out this water. Whoa. Dump out this water, get rid of all these shells, and we'll be moving on. Okay, so for my hard-boiled watchers, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below, hit the bell, so that way you're never missing a video. Leave us a comment, let us know how we're doing, let me know how I'm doing. But yeah, that's it. That's hard-boiled eggs in a pinch. You have your hard-boiled egg, hit it with a little salt, a little bit of pepper, and you're good to go. You have a breakfast that's quick, easy, ready to go. It's a great snack for the kids, it's a great snack for you. It's perfect. Just grab it, eat it, and you're ready. And you can prep a few of them, so you have a few days. It takes less than 30 minutes to make these. Peel them. You could peel them day of if you want. That's how quick and easy this is. But that's it. If you want to continue watching our deviled egg video, go ahead and hit the button here at the top or watch the video at the end of it. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Stay healthy and stay full, America. You have a great day.
Mm-hmm.